We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the TOSY Flying Disc, a Frisbee that combines classic outdoor fun with modern LED technology. This disc features 36 super bright LEDs capable of displaying 16 million colors, making it 100 times brighter than typical light-up Frisbees. It is designed for teens, kids, and adults alike and is rechargeable, waterproof, and meets professional ultimate Frisbee standards with a weight of 175 grams. The disc is a patented invention and has earned recognition such as the Time Best Inventions of 2024. Users appreciate its bright, vibrant glow, which makes evening play exciting and visually captivating. The disc's lighting modes are controlled by smart sensors that automatically adjust brightness and turn the LEDs on and off to conserve battery life. Charging takes about 30 minutes via USB-C, and a full charge can support up to 1,000 throws or a 90-minute match. Performance-wise, the TOSY Flying Disc flies well with long, straight, and precise flights, comparable to standard professional ultimate discs. Its grip is comfortable, making it suitable for freestyle tricks as well. Many users report that the disc feels sturdy and durable, able to withstand rough play and even interactions with pets. The waterproof design adds to its versatility, allowing use in various outdoor conditions without worry. The lighting feature is the highlight of this disc. It offers multiple modes and colors that create a mesmerizing glow during night play, significantly enhancing the fun and visibility. This makes it a great choice for family gatherings, camping trips, or casual evening games. The LEDs sync with throws, adding an interactive element to the experience. However, some users mention that the lighting controls can be a bit confusing at first, requiring some trial and error to operate effectively. Customer feedback reveals a strong appreciation for the disc's entertainment value and unique design. Many families have found it to be a fantastic addition to their outdoor activities, providing hours of bonding and fun. The disc's light-up feature is especially praised for transforming ordinary Frisbee games into visually stunning events after dark. The size and weight are comparable to standard Frisbees, making it familiar and easy to handle. On the downside, a few users have reported issues with the LED lights failing after limited use. While the disc charges and the internal functions appear operational, the lights sometimes do not illuminate, which can be disappointing. Fortunately, the company has demonstrated excellent customer service by proactively replacing defective units and ensuring customer satisfaction. This responsiveness has turned some initially negative experiences into positive ones, with customers praising the support they received. Another consideration is that the glowing feature, while fantastic, makes the disc slightly more delicate than regular Frisbees. Users recommend storing it safely when not in use to preserve its condition and prolong its lifespan. Despite this, the disc remains robust enough for active play and can endure rough handling to a reasonable extent. Overall, the TOSY Flying Disc is a game changer in the realm of outdoor toys. It successfully combines the traditional Frisbee experience with innovative lighting technology, making it a must-have for those who enjoy nighttime outdoor activities. Its rechargeable battery, smart lighting modes, and professional-grade flight characteristics set it apart from typical Frisbees. The disc is suitable for all ages and occasions, including holidays, birthdays, camping, and casual play. If you are looking for a unique and entertaining way to enjoy Frisbee, especially after dark, this product is highly recommended. It offers great value, fun colors, and a sturdy build. The glowing effect adds excitement and extends playtime beyond daylight hours. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.